Hello guys, I say a very big welcome to you. Today, if your first time you're coming to this channel, I say subscribe and share our video, you know what I mean? And if you are a returning subscriber, also share the link so that other persons can actually get a benefit you are getting from this. Okay, quick one here. I have very nice solution for you today, but before I go into that, if you want to buy your skincare recipe, you want to buy your skincare ingredient or whatever you may call it, cosmetic, you can always call out us at ayacosmeticnigeria.com. Yeah, okay, and a quick one again. Yeah, see the number on your screen? That is the number you can use to get to us. I'm about to tell you about these Irish ladies white, this Irish lady body white, this one cream that you need to use, that it will give you 7 shade. I tell you, 7 shade Irish ladies body white, aka yellow CC. This cream will not fail you at all. Yes, a lot of people will be sending reviews to us how the cream is really helping them. Okay, a quick one. Guys, let me tell you this. For those of you coming to my WhatsApp and really fight me, it's not good. What are you fighting me for? When you come to buy something I don't have, I tell you I don't have it. Must you force me to have it? No. If I tell you I don't sell for you, you go. And why are you turning it to fight, a big fight? Stop fighting me, Biko. Stop fighting me. Like a lady said I should send her my own product before she pay me. I don't do that. It doesn't really matter that I don't trust you. I trust you. But that's just the procedure that we do. Are you getting it? That's just the procedure we've laid down, like you have to follow this procedure. Are you getting it? Also, okay, because I didn't send you the product before you would send me your money, so it's not a crime. That's why you're fighting me. I said, okay, go with your money, let me go with my product. It's end. You don't need to fight me. You don't need to fight me, please. Okay, that is that. All right, I tell you, I have a solution for you. A very nice solution. For those of you who make a cream for your customer, at the very end of it, or when the customer gone with the cream and they call you tomorrow, oh, the cream you did for me change face, change color. Oh, what a pity for you. I tell you, I've got a solution for you. I've got some big solution for you. For those of you making a large quantity and before you knew it, your cream changed color. Even your soaps also, they change color. It's a big loss on you. That is why I tell you, I bring you DEQ3. That's the solution. DEQ3. That is the solution. If you're having that problem that much, yes, just call out us. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We have a solution. We have solution 1, we have solution 2, and we have solution 3. DEQ3. This is the solution for your cream. Yes. So you see the color this way. Some colors are just mainly pure white. No, they don't have any form of liquid. Like the liquid is not like this, just pure white. Some are just like this. So if your cream is really changing color, that you've produced a cream for anybody or for yourself and you knew it before you see the cream is changing color, this is the solution. You can't see it anywhere. Trust me, you can't see it anywhere. Y'all gonna see this only AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So you should always have that in mind. In case you want to buy your recipe, I repeat, you want to buy your organic ingredient or cosmetic or whatever you want to buy in the skincare line, you can always call at us. Be in the US, Canada, Europe, Asia country, or any of the Africa country, call at us. Yes, we have what you got. And in a quick one, I'll tell you that we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere, no matter what it is, no matter the storm block, we break every storm block and we ship everywhere. So that is that. You always get them soon as possible, and our price is very cheap. Very cheap, affordable. You can afford it. So as I've just told you, yes, DEQ3, this solution, it goes for your cream. It is a cream corrector, and also it clears all blemishes too, all spot and all that. It doesn't have to, when you put it to your cream, that it creates more problem for you. No, it make your cream, it enhance your cream also. make it very smooth, and your skin, nourish your skin, and also moisturize your skin. Also, it does a lot of things. So let me not just be canting. What I'm telling you is the real solution about your cream changing from one color to green to yellow, blah blah blah. This is the solution. Come get it right now. I know a lot of you having that problem. Don't be nervous about it. Don't be nervous. You're having a problem of that. You can just call us right now. This is the solution. They call it DEQ3. We have solution 1, solution 2, solution 3. Don't forget also, I tell you, where you can get your best product is AYA Cosmetic. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That's where you can get all your recipe. Are you getting it? Also, we have other product as well. If not for Globe Ada that is be helping you guys, giving you good quality creams, I tell you, go patronize her. Oh. Yes, so patronize Globe with Ada. I tell you, she have one of the best cream in Nigeria. Yes, but you just need to patronize her. Yes, because for those of you who jump from one place to another place to go get fake creams, and they give you some give you undertone eyes, or give you redness face, like give you stretch mark, stop doing that. Just go patronize Globe with Ada. Yes, that's where you can get good cream. She's the best in the Nigeria sector right now. She break all the seashore, break the wave, break everywhere. She's everywhere. She's global. Go patronize her. You know what I mean? So solution to your cream problem that is having different color, this is it. DEQ3. This is the solution. Don't fail it. All right, next week, what will I be giving you as a New Year gift? I don't know yet, but I told you that one-on-one will be chatting. One-on-one will be chatting. If you have any problem, you can drop your problem also, and we solve it right there, right here. You know what I mean? AYA. That's it. So what else? I love this. I really love this. Ever since I started selling these, a lot of testimony be coming in about this. That's why I said, okay, let me do the review of this DEQ3, because a lot of people will be a victim of that. Just imagine you spend thousands of naira or thousands of dollars to produce a cream, and at the very end of it, all the cream is changing face. What would your customer tell you? Oh, you deceived me, or I deceived you. So for that not to happen, you better call for this DEQ3 that is really trending right now. It's it's a cream corrector. Cream corrector. Like solution 1 is pure white. He don't look like this. You see, this one is like it been a little bit mixed. Like you see, the color is being changing. Yeah. So, but I think this is the overall of it all. 3 DEQ3. That's the overall of it all. This solution is stronger than the 1 than 2, and this is the 3, I think, and this is the last one also. So come patronize us by getting it now. All right, we've come to the end of this. If you know that you want to buy your skincare product, you want to buy your recipe, call out us, the number on your screen. Wherever you are, US, Europe, Asia country, UK, Africa countries as well, just call out us. Our prices are affordable. You can get it. We ship everywhere. Trust me. Okay? Trust me. God bless you.